This is a video to correct the big homework about time, chapter time. So I will start by correcting task or question 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will leave 5 and 6 to another video. So let's start. Task 1, page 151. So I would like you to watch these videos and after that return to your work and check if you did it correct. If you didn't do it correctly, write the correction and keep it for your revision for the exam, hopefully. So the first task, they ask you to write the 24-hour clock time. So I will write the form in, it's written in the 12-hour clock time, and you need to write it in the 24-hour clock time. So I will write it like that. I will make a table. And in this table, you will have the first line, it will be the 12 hour clock. And here, this is how we need to write it in 24-hour clock. All right. So the first one, I have a 5:50 a.m. So this is in the morning. To write it in the 24-hour clock, I just need to write it 5:50 like that. Nothing to add, just this value. After that, for B, I have 10:17 p.m. So since it's p.m. in the evening, so I just need to transform 10. I need to add 12 to 10, so it will be 22:17. I don't need to write anything. For this one, C, I have 3:30 in the afternoon. So 3:30 in the afternoon is what we call 3:30. This is how you write it in the 12-hour clock. So if I would like to write it in the 24-hour clock, it will be, I just need to add 12 to 3, so it will be 15:30. And for D, I have 12:35 p.m. So it's in the afternoon. Be careful, this is not midnight, it's midday 35. So I just need to copy the same thing again. If it was midnight, it should be 00. It should be AM here. So be very careful. This is a common mistake that students would commit. So this is for the first task. For the second task, task 2, and you have time, page 151. You have times written in the 24-hour clock, and you need to write it in the 12-hour clock. So I will do the same table. I will have two parts of it. One on it, I will write the 24-hour clock, and here the 12-hour clock. All right, so for the first one, I have 4:27. So 4:27 like that, it means it's in the morning. So I just need to write it 4:27 a.m. Don't forget about the a.m. It's very important to add it. For B, I have 16:35. It means it's 4:35 in the evening. So or afternoon, I just need to write it as 4:35 p.m. to say that it's the afternoon. And C, I have 23:05. It means it's 11 o'clock 05 minutes, and it's in the night. So I just need to write 11:05 p.m. The last one I have 07:07. It's 7 in the morning, so I just need to write it 7:07 a.m. like that. So this is for task 2. Let's focus on task 3 now. Task 3, page 151. So a train leaves a country or a city at 14:21. So this is when they leave Thane, I think. and it's 14:21. This is the departure time, and they arrive at the other city, Panvel. They arrive at 15:15. So the first question was work out the time the journey takes. So I need to get the full time here. So I know from 14 to, let's take 15, like that, how many minutes I have here. I just need to do 60 minus 21. So 60 minus 21, it will be 39 minutes. And after that, from 15 to 15:50, I just need to add 15 minutes. Right, so the time for the journey, or the journey time is equal to 35 minutes plus 15 minutes, which is equal to 54 minutes. So this is the total time for the journey, right? A train leaves the same city at 17:48. And it takes 32 minutes to get to Nirol, I think. Well, I don't quite know how to pronounce that, but it's okay. It's a city. You will never be able to pronounce the name of the cities as the locals. So this is the departure, so thing, and this is the arrival, and it's Nirol or Nirol. And it takes 32 minutes to arrive there, and the departure time is 17:48, and the arrival time is what we are looking for. So I need to ask myself how many minutes I need to add to get to 18:00. So I just need to make 60 minus 48, and I know I just need to add 12 minutes to get to 18. Now, the question is, how many minutes is left for me if I add 12 from 32? You can do 32 minus 12. So 32 minus 12 is 20. 20 minutes is the time that I need to add after 18:00. So plus 20 minutes. And I can see that the train will arrive at 18:20. And this is the arrival time. So 18:20 is the arrival time. And this is what the question was, I believe. They ask you to get the arrival time, and the arrival time should be equal to 18:20. Okay, so this is for task 3. Let's correct task 4, page 151. So a car journey begins at, this is the start, and the starting time is 19:50, and the arrival time, and this is arrival, and they arrive at 01:17 the following day. Right, and I need to ask myself, how what is the time, or the period, or the duration of this journey? Okay, so let's think about this for a moment. For me to go from 1950 to 20:00, I just need to add 10 minutes. And after that, from 8 in the evening to midnight, which is 00, like that, I need 4 hours, right? If you add 4 hours to 8, you will get to arrive at midnight. And after that, if I would like to ask myself how many hours I got from midnight to 1:17, it's easy. It's 1 hour and 17 minutes. So now I need to add all of these together. I have the 10 minutes total time. I have 10 minutes, and then add the 4 hours and then add 1 hour and 17 minutes. Right, so add the hours together. I have 4 hours plus 1 hour, it's 5 hours. And after that, I have 10 minutes and 17 minutes, so it will be 27 minutes. So the total time, the journey time is 5 hours and 27 minutes. All right, I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you need more explanation about this. Thanks, bye-bye.